Alrighty. Let's do this thing. You coming?
Yeah, I'm trying to get my flashlight out and my katana out. There we go.
Okay.
It wouldn't let me pick it up earlier.
I didn't quite whip out the flashlight yet.
I like to see. 'Cause
It's pretty well lit in here, I'd like to say.
here.
Might as well open these. Um, Going to eat this. Might as well since it's here. And my food is hurting. This is in-game content, so
Oh my gosh.
I hope you're ready.
You're quite nervous.
Oh, I hope you're ready. That's all I'm gonna say.
Okay.
There's the little boo-boo. Be careful. I could swore there's a bed in here.
These just deeper in, I think.
Possibly. Yeah, wasn't it a compartment like this?
Mm-hmm.
Right here. Grenade just in case.
No, not the paper. There we go.
Oh, here we go. I'm gonna go and save. Oh, there's a a dress.
What?
Yeah, there's a dress right here on the cabinet. Just wish we had a water source in here, honestly, because your boy's thirsty. You gonna put the dress on,
Maybe.
even though you got a male character. You're gonna cross dress a little bit.
Maybe he could just look pretty for a little bit.
Oh my god. Oh my god. All right, you ready? Okay. Um, where was it? Was it down here? Where are we going? Where are we going? I think it's down here, right?
I think so. Maybe.
Yeah, I think this is the right area. Through here? Yeah, this seems right. You saved, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Oh, I've picked that up already. The real estate agent video.
Yeah. Little camera.
Yeah. Where is this entrance? Where? Oh, where? It was somewhere over here, right? Oh,
I believe so.
there's another bed to save at. Do you want to sleep and save here? I
Sure.
think we might as well sleep to at least replenish that.
Yeah.
That's sad. I'm sure you got sodas and stuff on you that you could drink. Oh, bless.
Yeah.
All right, I'm gonna save again just in case. Oh, whew. Golly.
Bless you.
Yeah, this is the entrance. Wasn't there a bar area we could eat at? Yeah, there is. There's ammunition up here. You're going to grab it.
Wait just a second.
Ooh, 2 grenades too? I'll take it.
I don't think I can pick any more of those up.
Yeah, boy is hydrated. Well, I'm just holding the activate on stuff, right? And that'll just where you can just drink it and eat it. Looking for some food, but no food is around, unfortunately. Surprisingly. Okay, well, let's go into what they call the demon cave. We'll see what happens. I'm a little skeptical, but
There's got to be a way to open this.
oh,
Something.
come on through the smoke. So for this part, we have to put on
The golden...
the
the
golden
sulfate
armor.
armor?
Yep. Or not that armor, the suit.
The suit. The golden suit.
Would you like to do the honors?
Sure.
I'll let you do it. Go and slam that bad boy in. It should work. If not, this run was for nothing.
No. No.
What?
We're missing something.
Hold up. Let me see.
Am I wearing the armor?
Yeah, you're wearing the armor.
Something's happening.
Oh. We charged
Who
your
gave you
armor.
that?
We charged your armor.
Stay close.
I don't
What? Okay, whatever. Game. I would take off your armor and re-equip your creepy armor at least. Oh, I just dropped all my creepy armor.
I was wondering. I was like, what?
You ready? It's already spooky. This guy just ran in, balls to the walls. I'm not liking it. I'm not liking what I'm hearing. Yes, ma'am. Maybe it's because the host had to do it. I'm not for sure.
What is this place?
You tell me.
Oh, shit.
These guys are like gold skeletons. That's cool.
And
Or-
this river's pretty deep.
Yeah. Just a little lava river. At least it's keeping us warm, I guess. He's shooting something. Oh, shit!
Oh my god.
It's not a gun thing. Oh, more. Oh. Get him! Get him! If you need more creepy armor, there it is.
I don't...
Can't believe you murdered them in cold blood.
Okay.
They were just trying to protect their home. How do you feel about that? Colonizing people.
I don't... Well,
Oh my gosh.
I don't know.
Don't worry, I'll double tap this one. No worries. He's definitely dead. I skinned him.
Little floating embers.
Yeah, that's pretty though.
Yeah.
This guy's just running straight in.
He's ready.
Yeah, we don't have the ammunition like that, dude. I'm gonna need you to chill. We're going into their we're coming in here with like little to no ammunition. Just keep that in mind. We got our katanas, and that's just about it.
So many bodies.
Oh, yeah. Just a lot of bodies. Crouch? I guess he's just gonna kill everything for us. Thanks, dude. I don't even know what his name is, but thanks. Oh, heads up. It's another. Oh, 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 ow. More creepy armor, I guess. I'll take it. That guy's just fighting for his life while we collect their skin. What are you shooting at, dude?
He runs off.
I know. This guy's definitely got ADHD. Oh shit, behind us. It's off to the left.
Oh, it's in the fucking
Yeah, I know.
lava.
Yep.
There's back kicks.
Don't fall in the lava. Rule number 1. If there's lava, don't fall in it.
Alright. Oh.
That's like very, very, very common sense. It will probably instant kill you. Where did this guy run off to?
That's what I'm trying to figure out.
I guess this is the way to go. I'm not for sure. This guy was like leading the charge like he's already been in here before. We'll call him Bob. Bob with a mutated arm.
Bob in jail.
Bob and Joe. Bob, wait up! Golly. This guy. This guy is no couth. Am I right?
Hmm.
It's like he knows where he's going or something.
This way, that way.
I'm like, bro, you're like leading us through this whole thing. Usually we're like fumbling over each other.
It is so fast, too.
I know. That's what I'm saying. It's like speed running. Look, dude, this is not a speed run. We're like taking in the sights. This is really cool and whatnot. You know, this ain't a speed run. We're enjoying the journey there.
It looks really cool in here, though.
It does look very cool. Like I'm not chugging through this. This is like how it was when we were playing now I know how you feel when we were playing Split Fiction. This guy is just going all the way through. Pretty much leading us.
Oh,
Oh, well, I guess we got to it. Anything on these papers? No? Okay. Surprised there's papers down here. Skulls. Okay.
wanna read.
Just, you know, lore. Honestly. When it comes down to books, Dungeon Crawler Carl.
Oh my gosh.
Go, go give that a listen.
Oh my
It is
gosh.
definitely one of the best. I'm not gonna lie. I'm not gonna lie, chat. I wasn't expecting a speed run when we were coming in here. We're usually very slow and methodical about it, but this guy is just blasting through it.
Yep.
He's killing everything before we get there, too. He, like, downs one at least. Oh! I got something. I got a pamphlet. What does it say? The more wicked his heart, the more grotesque a creature dwells within. Ephesians? I don't know what that is, but it looks like a Bible verse. but I don't think it's a Bible verse. Yeah, I already hear him like shooting up there. Yeah, here's one he already killed. Oh my god, he is speed running.
Whoa.
Do you need any more creepy armor?
I don't think so.
Me either. That's the bad part. I guess we didn't need to stock up on creepy armor before we came in here. Dude. Look, dude! Hey! There he goes. Killing everything before we get there. Watch your step. Don't fall in the abyss. How you looking on food?
Okay. I need to get my katana back out there.
I'm gonna go ahead and eat. It's looking a little sparse. Looking a little sparse. Okay. These people
Gold
just
skill?
died standing up, I guess. Huh.
They just, you know, put their corpse that way.
Maybe.
Or they poured that gold stuff on them.
That too. Well, I guess this is proof to that. I wonder, can you get your pickaxe out and hit him? Let me see. I'm curious. Just theory testing. No.
Darn.
Okay. Where did Bob go?
No.
I assume this path is linear for the most part. Oh, heads up.
Oh,
He missed
like a
one.
Spider.
Ow. Oh, another one. Nice. I think he took... Yeah, I think he actually took some creepy armor off of me. Let me, I guess, restock. Did Bob not go down this way? Crazy. Crazy. Oh, heads up. We got another one. Another two.
Two.
These guys aren't too hard, to be honest.
Huh?
Oh, third one.
Oh shit.
Easy. Easy. I'm gonna turn you down a little bit. Still echoing a little bit. Let's turn it down. There we go. Okay.
I think I see that guy up here.
Brother Bob, what are you doing? Like, he's just gonna lead them. He's gonna run straight past four of them and let them kill us. I'm starting to think that he's not on our side.
Oh shit.
Do they really?
Oh shit.
Ow, he hit me. I'm surprised they're not being burned by the lava, to be quite honest. Remember, don't fall in the lava. Rule number 1. If they go in the lava, do not follow them.
Oh shit.
We have armor, they do not. Oh,
He's running
uh-oh.
back. What? Oh shit. Oh shit.
Oh, that's why. Ow. He'd be
Should I get my
dead.
gun out?
Oh, behind us. Another one. Should you get your gun out? I'm not gonna say yay or nay. On that, I definitely make sure you have your armor up. Not gonna lie.
I'm gonna keep my katana for now.
Okay. So game plan. Game plan before we go into any further. I'll
You're
try to
scaring me now. I feel like I need my gun.
I'll try to tank and or try to like dissuade them. You keep your katana out, and then if push comes to shove and I tell you, or you feel like you need your gun, you'll whip it out while I try to take all the brunt of the damage. That's a good game plan. And what they do is they call kiting. So I'll get all the enemies aggroed on me, and then you can kind of like you'll have time to get the gun out and shoot them.
Okay.
I think that'll work the best. And so it works if I'm taking the lead because the AI is going to track onto me.
We'll just be
So if I tell you get the gun out, get the gun out.
Okay.
Or if you feel like you need to get the gun out and we're being overwhelmed, then go ahead and get the gun out. And I'll try to whip out my gun as well. I was about to say, Bob, staying on that is probably not the best for you, but you do you, boo-boo. But yeah, if we're being like super overwhelmed, we'll whip it out.
Think of Stranger Things.
This does?
Yeah.
Really?
Mhm.
Why is this?
The inside of this cave does. I think there's 3 of them up here, or maybe it's just 2.
You mean like the upside down?
Yeah.
I don't think. I don't. I'd have to disagree with you on that one. This doesn't make me think of the upside down. At least not for me. Chad could disagree, but I would say this is 2 upside down, at least. Maybe like the 3rd. Oh shit.
Oh my God.
Whip the gun out.
Okay.
That's it. No, not Bob, no! Get the gun out. No, Bob, please, no, Bob! Oh no. Bob, no, Bob! Please don't die on us! Oh my god.
Oh shit.
Oh,
my
it's
God,
on the ceiling.
It's on the ceiling.
It's on the ceiling. It's on the ceiling. I'm gonna try to tank it, and you do you. I got my swings in. Oh, ooh, ouch, 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 ouch. No! Don't worry. I'm a Dark Souls veteran. This can't be nearly as hard.
Oh shit. Now it's up on the ceiling again.
I hate to say it, but do you got a grenade?
Yeah.
Just don't kill me with
I'm out of
it.
bullets. Oh,
Oh, that's not good.
yeah.
Just don't kill me with. Oh,
Shit.
you got the grenade out though.
Yeah. I'm trying to-
Ow. Blow it up, blow it up, blow it up, blow it up.
There it goes.
Perfect. Perfect. That was.
For another one.
He's dead. He's dead. He's dead.
Okay. I just want to make sure.
That was now that right there is how you use a grenade. Do you need any creepy armor? If so, take it.
I'll take some.
Remember, we have plenty of armor to go around. I'm sure we'll get more. but I hate to say it, that's not the biggest thing in this cave.
Oh. Oh dear. Okay, keep the grenade or get the katana back out.
Get the katana back out, and we'll go with the same type of flow.
I have 3 more grenades and then some other types of bombs.
Okay, that's no biggie. We're doing all right. I could swear I heard gunshots up ahead. I don't think Bob's dead.
For that stuff.
Ooh, deeper in we go. Deeper in we go. Looks like we might be on our own this time. More cultists. What the heck? Oh, ammunition. Ooh, a lot of ammunition. Jesus Christ. Hell yeah. And Molotovs? What were they doing down here? Plenty of grenades, bombs. Jesus
We're going
Christ.
against something where we need it. That's what I'm seeing here.
Yeah, that's looking like it.
That's what I'm seeing. Oh my gosh, grenades.
Looks like there might be a boss fight up ahead. So, just be ready. When I'm running around screaming, I'm like, hey, please, please. Just be ready. Because there's hella grenades here.
Yeah.
I might even I might have to. I'll take those. Actually, I'm
Get my
full up
gun
now.
out. I'm going to get my gun out.
Yeah, get your gun out just preemptively. Yeah. This isn't a sign, you know. Make sure you ate. Make sure you got your water and whatnot.
May do that to you.
You know, make sure you're all hydrated. Make sure you stretch too, of course. That's really important. Before we go into any extra anaerobic processes. You know, make sure you're hydrated. We don't need to cramp up here.
Okay.
All right. Let's rock and roll. Uh-oh. You ready? Ooh, this is something you have to hit E on too. Probably gonna shoot us into a cutscene. Yep.
Oh my god.
Bob, don't do it. Please, Bob. Bob, please.
It's time.
What are you doing? What do you mean it's time?
The fuck is this?
Oh, you almost. Oh, you got in, right?
15, 14,
What?
12.
Excuse me, sir? Excuse me? Uh-oh. Are we going to have to kill Bob? I am so confused. Bob, please don't do this. What the fuck?
Ooh.
I've seen this before.
That's not our planet.
I saw it in a dream.
Okay. Okay.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, Joe's with us too, I think. Unless that's you.
Oh no.
This was supposed to fix me.
Oh.
It's making me worse.
Gross. Oh, no. I thought our hands were like that too. I was like, uh-oh. I just got the creepy armor on. What? We're finally being rescued? Oh, shit. Never mind. What the fuck?
Oh my gosh, it's attacking the planes.
Oh, no. Oh, there goes Bob. Bob's dead. I hope you're ready to fight.
Yeah.
Oh, oh, oh.
God.
What was in the pupa? What was in the...
What is
Uh,
happening to him?
it's a great
Lord,
question. Run. Run. He's following me. Get your gun out. Everything's going according to plan.
Okay, I'm trying to get my gun out.
I'm kiting. Oh, he's running fast. He's running really fast. You got it? Do you got it? Start shooting. Okay, okay, okay. I got a bomb.
Shit!
I'm throwing my bombs. That's all the bombs I got. Okay, 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 okay.
I'm getting my
Ow, ow,
grenades
ow,
out.
ow, 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 ow.
Oh shit.
You got babies on you. I'm getting the gun out. Getting shotty. Oh, did we kill it? Was it that easy? Was it that easy? I was expecting a lot more from what we...
That was so scary.
It wasn't that scary, hon. You weren't freaking out that bad.
You made it.
That looked
You're okay.
interesting.
Oh god, they're coming.
Oh,
They're
shit.
getting closer. We have to leave.
No, it's a little further.
Quick, get in.
Oh, uh-oh. Uh-oh.
What is that?
Oh, the pieces.
Uh-oh.
Don't go near it.
You're standing right in front of it, Kelsey. I hate to say it.
Don't touch it.
I think we gotta follow it.
Wants you to stay. Don't listen to it.
Follow it.
Get you... Oh, well, we can't even get the gun, huh? You ready?
Can I get in the helicopter?
Nope. That's not what the game wants us to do. There is no free will here. Remember that
It doesn't let me
raccoon?
get my gun out. It just lets me follow you.
Remember that raccoon? Can we go in the helicopter? Hold up. Hey guys, let me... Oh, we got a choice. No, we do have a choice.
My choice.
We can either get in this helicopter and leave. Or we can go towards the Zappy backpack.
Where do you want to go?
I like adventure.
Yep.
You like adventure? Let's go towards the Zappy backpack. Let's see what this takes us.
You're on your own. Good luck.
Well, don't know what that did for us.
I don't know either.
I kind of wanted to find out what the other option is. That's not what I was expecting. I think we chose the wrong option.
Whoops.
That's so unfortunate. Well, Kelsey?
You gotta do something with it, I guess. I don't know.
I pulled it out, but it's not... We have to find the other 4 artifacts.
You have to follow the lines up there.
Hold up. Let's see. Let's see what the Google Ace says.
I gotta run to the bathroom real quick.
Okay. Okay, so it looks like Uh-oh. Looks like, do we have a choice while staying on the island? Oh, we did pick the wrong choice.
Now what do we have to do?
All that's the end of the game, pretty much. Because it's an open-ended survival game at the end of the day.
Mm-hmm. So some people can just choose to stay in it.
Yeah,
Interesting.
but I will show you what does happen if we did decide to leave the island. Um, but I hope y'all enjoyed. That's the end of the forest. I don't want to see where those pylons are going, but I mean, we didn't pick the right choice. I thought it was the right choice, but it is not the right
I thought it
choice.
was gonna be a different ending
Same.
because
The
we
other
went into a room that showed us some freaky stuff.
the other ending is very, it's like closed and shut ending. But this ending is not the ending I was expecting, where it's open-ended. I was hoping for a little bit something more thematic, not us just grabbing it and leaving us. But yeah, how did you feel about this game?
I liked it.
Yeah, you liked it? Was it too
I've never
scary
played
for you?
it. Scary. It was really scary at first.
Yeah, it was very scary.
And then
Yeah,
I got pissed off at the cannibals.
yeah, that happens.
Get them back.
Yeah,
Where do they go to?
pylons? I have no idea. It's a great question. We don't necessarily have a golf cart.
There's some down there.
Oh yeah, no, there is a golf cart. I mean, we could travel to the pylons, see what happens when we get there. I don't know. Let's see.